Afternoon guys, today we're going to renew the fuel filter on a Vauxhall Insignia. The fuel filter is located roughly around about here. What we need to do, let's take the camera off a minute. You can do this job without jacking it up. Just park your wheel on the curb so you can access it a bit better. What you need to do is drop this cover down. You've got a few bolts along here. They're 8 and 10 mil, and then you can drop your cover down, and then you can access the filter in behind. I'll drop the cover and I'll bring you back. Right guys, I've dropped the cover down. Let's move it away with my hand. That's the drain plug. Use a flat screwdriver, unscrew it. You can drain the fuel out, which is in the filter, into a container. Then use the 36 mil socket to undo this section here, and then you can drop the filter down out of the way. Right, let's get a container and drain that fuel out. Right, I'll try to do this one-handed so you can see what's going on. So you just unscrew this drain plug. That'll drain the fuel out, which is in the filter. Once that's drained out, we can take the filter housing off. And we should be able to loosen that off. There he goes. Once you get so far, you should be able to do the rest by hand. There we do the rest by hand now. There it is. Okay, but we've got it sealed to get out in here. If I can get it out of my hands or not, but there we go. Set seal. Remove that and we'll put a new one in there. So you got one seal for there to renew. And you got one seal on the drain plug to renew. And the filter itself just pulls out, just clips in with those two clips inside there. I'll just give him a little wipe off, make sure it's nice and clean. That's a new filter. That's your new seal. Just check him. He looks exactly the same. Go back underneath and feed your new seal in. It's a bit awkward to do with one hand. That's in, pushed up inside. and the fuel filter just clips in like that. And then we'll screw them back in. Just make sure it's located inside. And you just screw back up. Make sure the seal's sitting in nice as you're screwing back in. And you can either torque it up to 25 Newton meters or just give it a little neck and then you're done. Put your new seal on your drain plug. And screw that one back in. And we'll neck that one back up. I'm going to give them a wipe around, because when we turn the ignition on in a minute and run the car up, we just need to make sure there's no leaks. But what we've got to do, we've got to turn the ignition on 15 times just to get the fuel filter to fill up. What I'll do is I'll put my mic next to the fuel filter so you can hear it kick in. Right, we don't need to start the car up, we just need to put the ignition lights on. One. The pump only kicks in for a few seconds. Do that 15 times and bring it back. Right, we turn the ignition on 15 times to fill the fuel filter up. Now we need to start them up, but we need to give it a little bit of a gas and keep the gas on for a little while just to let the fuel go through the system and make sure there's no air gaps. Right, let's start them up, see what happens. A little bit of gas. Keep the gas on for a while just to make sure everything clears through. Right, that should be plenty. Right, now we just need to check it, make sure it's not leaking. There we go guys, we're all good. Right, all we need to do now guys is screw that cover back on and then job's complete. If you enjoyed this video, please click like and subscribe. More videos on the way. Bye for now.